3D ultrasound indicates the imaging process of the distribution of ultrasonic echo information in 3D space, while conventional ultrasonography refers to the imaging on a two-dimensional (2D) plane. When the intensity of echo in a 2D plane is displayed on a 2D screen, the emission of brightness modulation, what happens is a tomogram is generated. 3D matters cannot be displayed on a 2D screen with ease and with technological edge. There are varieties of methods which go on to display 3D data. All of these methods are collectively known as visualization of volume. The processing of volume of visualization as well as 3D ultrasound is as follows. Acquisition of data relating to 3D ultrasound. Construction of these sets. Projection as well as display of 3D data on a 2D plane. A lot of geometrical data which can be extracted from the interest structures such as an organ called fetus. The surface is referred to as extracted structure, which is a geometrical data with a proper set of polygons or cubes. Direct volume visualization does not refer to any geometrical data without proper reference of projections, but the same can be projected onto a 2D plane. The inner contents of the object are considered even without its surface, which is being displayed as a method which is known as volume rendering. Considerable variations in various techniques are possible through mode of adjustment of the operational method, as well as related parameters. The entire object may be made to look as translucent or as a surface image or as a bone image, which is akin to indirect volume visualization. There is a process of regional extraction which is sometimes conducted much prior to processing of making 3D images clearer. 3D ultrasound. You can also take up computerized tomography arteriogram, as well as magnetic resonance image arteriogram. This is a new technique which has become available clinically. The advantages are a lot of visualization in an improved manner pertaining to spatial relationships in between a couple of organs. In the present modern society, 3D ultrasound is most favorably wanted imaging techniques pertaining to obstetrics. In the organ called fetus, 3D ultrasound is better than the normal ultrasound, which are available for displaying anatomic anomalies relating to complexities in fetal brain malformations, skeletal and limb abnormalities, as well as facial defects. 3D ultrasound also distinguishes with distinction the organ called uterus, totally separated from other organs without any difficulty, with a marvel of microscopic magnifying view of other organs in the human body, to highlight the significance of the conditions of pregnancy, including the uterus tract. To conclude, 3D ultrasound is a technologically advanced methodology of reporting conditions of pregnancy, which are important to highlight each and every stage of complication, which needs to be medically controlled and taken precautions of. It gives with distinction highlights of various parts of the body, including the uterus in particular, to vividly indicate the stage of any malfunctioning involved therein to alleviate health problems caused due to pregnancy. It also has a distinction of controlling the mal-effects of pregnancy by the intervention of these methodologies, which magnify the minutest possible extent of damaging factor, which acts as an impediment in